Today I show you how you can use Google Assistant to read articles aloud, read things aloud. So you go to a website and you don't want to read it, maybe you're busy doing something else and you just want to listen to it. You can actually use Google Assistant to read the article for you. So I'll show you right now. This is my website here. You can find articles. Maybe you want to read something about it. For example, you find this article about the tools you need to repair your phone or devices, electronic devices. Here on the website, you have the text. You can read it if you want to, but if you don't want to read it, you're busy doing something else and you can't look at the screen all the time. Or if you're driving, this is really useful for driving. You can actually ask Google Assistant to read this article for you, and this is really convenient. To read the article, you have to open Google Assistant. You can either use the Hey Google command if you have it enabled. I don't have the Hey Google command enabled, but that's okay. I can use the home button here. You can start the Google Assistant by long pressing in the middle here. On the article page, I will long press on the middle navigation here, the home, the button that shows you the home. Long press. Read this aloud.
All right.
And then it shows you this interface where you have the article and you have this navigation here and you can set the speed.
From Ion How To. Mobile phone repair tools. Essential tools for DIY electronics repair. Fix your gadgets at home. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can repair your gadgets or phone. The essential tools you'll need to start repairing your own electronics at home. The basic toolkit. Before looking into repairs, you'll need a few good basic tools.
Okay, so what it's doing now, it's actually reading it and also highlighting the text where it is now on the article. So this is really useful. You can increase the speed. You can make it, for example, 2x, and now it's going to sound much faster.
These are crucial for opening device cases without scratching or damaging them. Metal tools might seem stronger, but they can leave permanent marks or even break plastic components. Mobile phone repair tools. Repair a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or other electronics. Tools for electronics repair at home so you can fix your own gadgets. Anti-static equipment. Static electricity can damage.
So this is like a timeline here. That's how long it's going to take to read it. And you can skip forward and back. It's really like a video. You're reading the article, you're listening to the article like it's a video, like it's an audiobook. And you have settings here on the top right there, the 3-dot menu. You have the voice. You can change the voice.
You can pick for reading out your web pages. If you like this voice,
Here are the voices you can pick for.
Here are the voices you can pick for read. Here are the voices you.
Here are the voices you can.
Here are the voices you can pick for read.
Here are the voices. Here are the voices.
Here are the voices you can pick for. Here are the voices you can pick for reading at.
Here are the voice.
here are the voices you can pick for reading out your web pages. Phone repair tools. Essential tools for DIY electronics repair. Fix your gadgets at home.
Sometimes it will not show the sync, the text, so you might have to restart it. There is also the option to turn off the text sync. So text sync is off or on. You can change it, and you can also translate it to another language. So this is interesting. For example, let's translate it to Spanish, the article.
De Ion How To. Herramientas de reparación de teléfonos móviles. Herramientas esenciales para la reparación de dispositivos electrónicos de bricolaje. Repare sus dispositivos en casa. Con las herramientas adecuadas y un poco de paciencia, puedes reparar tus dispositivos.
And the translation is Google Translate, so it's not going to be perfect. Let's try Italian.
Da Ion How To. Strumenti di riparazione del telefono cellulare. Strumenti essenziali per la riparazione elettronica. Fai da te, correggi i tuoi gadget a casa.
German.
Von Ion How To. Reparaturwerkzeuge für Mobiltelefone. Unverzichtbare Werkzeuge für die DIY-Elektronikreparatur. Reparieren Sie Ihre Geräte zu Hause. Mit den richtigen Werkzeugen und etwas Geduld können Sie...
Pretty simple. I mean, it's really amazing, like how far the technology went with this. And you can... okay, maybe it's not a big deal. Maybe it's not something completely new to have translation like this, but it really works. I mean, it works really well. This is how you read an article aloud, and you can even translate it. You can adjust the speed. You can change the voice. The voice sounds a bit unnatural because it's a generated voice, but probably in the future the voices will sound much more natural, just like simple, regular voice of a person not a robot. Thanks for watching.